Today, we're on a service call at an installation where the owner reported a roof leak. This morning, we arrived on site to solve this problem. I decided not to specifically look for the leak's location, especially since there wasn't an opportunity to. Instead, I opted to check and insulate all the holes that were made during installation. The screws were sealed with roofing sealant during installation, but apparently that wasn't enough, or perhaps it changed its properties over time. We'll take the structure apart and fix this. We need to thoroughly clean the area for the subsequent insulation of any debris. To fix the leak on this modified bitumen roof, the torch-on method was chosen. For each screw, we're applying a patch of torch-down material with a minimum thickness of 5 millimeters. This method is pretty intense due to the heat. Just like a good pancake, we gotta make sure these patches are seared on both sides. We glued down about 100 of these patches today, and the work is finally finished. Solar technology must be matched with proper building practices. Done right, it lasts for decades without leaks.